Okay, students, now we want to do the reflection part of our GeoGebra project. And if we scroll down, that's the second page. It says reflection across y equals 2 and reflection across x equals 1. So this project is going to start off similar. We're going to choose graphing calculator. We're going to make sure that we're signed in. Make sure we're on the left menu, the leftmost menu or the move menu. Drag our or use the graphics menu to drag your X and Y axis in the middle so it looks just like our page, and turn on the orthogonal grid. Then we're going to put in the coordinates for TSRU. So TSRU is capital T equals open parentheses 0 comma 4, 0 comma 4, enter. Capital S equals open parentheses negative 4 comma 1, negative 4 comma 1, enter. Capital R equals negative 3 negative 1. So capital R equals open parentheses negative 3 comma negative 1, enter. And then capital U equals open parentheses negative 1 0, negative 1 comma 0, enter. So now we have the shape on our page. We want to create a polygon so we can see it clear, going from T, S, R, U, and finally back to T. Make sure we're on the leftmost menu, the move menu. Select the polygon, and remember my pre-image is always pink, rosita, with a 75 contrast. That's the pre-image color I chose for my markers and my GeoGebra project, for everything that I do. Okay, so I can keep it consistent. And now we want to reflect this. Let's go back to our problem. We want to reflect this polygon across y equals 2. Excuse me. So we have to create, let's scroll down and graph the line y equals 2 and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the line y equals 2. So we want to reflect this polygon across it. So we're going to go to our transformation menu. We're going to go reflect about line. We're going to select the polygon or object to reflect, and then we're going to select the line, and it's going to reflect this about the line. And what we want to make sure that we color code the pre-image. I color code my pre-image purple with the same contrast. Now the object of this program is to make sure that you can get the coordinates of the image easily, or you can at least check your homework, check your classwork, check your test perhaps if you're allowed to use it in an application like this. So let's go down, scroll down, and see where is T prime, S prime, R prime, and U prime. And these are the coordinates that I'm going to ask you to write down on your paper. This is the answer for finding the coordinates of the image of your pre-image. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Go all the way down, and we're going to make sure we're in the leftmost menu because that's not selecting anything. We're not doing it. We're going to now put in the coordinates for number 6, which is W X Y V. W X Y V. So let's go down. Capital W equals open parentheses negative 3 positive 4, and hit enter. Capital X equals open parentheses 0 comma 5, hit enter. Capital Y equals, open parentheses, +4, +2, 4 comma 2, enter. And capital V equals 0 comma 0, enter. Oops, I made a mistake, so let me go back. Open parentheses, 0 comma 0, escape, and I'm going to delete these numbers and hit enter, and I have capital V. Now it looks like we're overlapping here, so let's go back up to our original menu and let's take the view off of our original points. Okay, so if we take the view, and we have to take the view also off of our reflection points, transformation translation points, I'm sorry, and the new translation. So now all we have is problem number 2. Let's create a polygon. W, X, Y, V, W, and let's color code that to show that it is pink and 75 contrast. Now we also do not want to see the line y equals 2 because that's not our reflection line. Our reflection line is something else. So let's find the line y equals 2, which is here, and turn it off. To go back to our problem, our reflection line is across x equals 1. So let's go down and type in x equals 1. And we have a vertical line here. So now let's reflect across the line x equals 1. Go to our transformation menu, reflect about line, select the polygon to reflect, and select the line. And now we have an easy way to show the coordinates of the transformed reflected image. Let's color code the image. Make sure we're on our left menu. Select the image and select it as the color that you chose as the image, and please be consistent. And now let's find x prime, w prime, v prime, and y prime. If we go down, here it is, w prime, x prime, y prime, and v prime, and that will be the answer for number 2. So now I'm going to ask you to do number 7 and 8 on your own in GeoGebra and save them under a different name, or save them in the same app. So before we leave, let's make sure that we're signed in, and then we're going to save this as reflections, or reflection will be fine. And then public, because we always want to share our work. Public, we want to share it with each other and with other people who are interested in mathematics, hopefully. Okay, save. Okay, and that's the end of this video. Please show me 1 through 8 and you will have completed the GeoGebra project, translations, and reflection.